AI in SOLIDWORKS is here. It's evolving and evolving fast. Let's look at the current state of AI in SOLIDWORKS 2026. Native AI to SOLIDWORKS comes in two flavors. There's embedded AI and AI virtual companions. Embedded AI isn't new. It's actually been around for many years. It's just getting better and faster. SOLIDWORKS looks at your models and workflow in real time and predicts or automates what you do next with tools like the Command Predictor, generative drawings, what's wrong analysis, identifying model errors, suggesting resolutions, and auto fastener recognition and creation with smart features and components in both CAD and simulation. These are tools that are embedded seamlessly into your SOLIDWORKS workflow and appear right when you need them to help develop products faster. SOLIDWORKS delivers embedded, context-aware intelligence, predicting user intent, automating routine tasks, and guiding workflows based on geometry and design history. It's not generative AI, it's engineered automation that consistently drives faster, cleaner design and lays the groundwork for more advanced AI-driven workflows. AI virtual companions in SOLIDWORKS are more like what you're used to with modern AI assistants similar to Claude and ChatGPT, but grounded in an engineering context. These integrated SOLIDWORKS virtual companions leverage their engineering context to help you stay focused on design and engineering. Aura is currently the documentation chatbot. It was trained on the SOLIDWORKS documentation, help files, and community forums. It's a more intuitive way to navigate SOLIDWORKS help content, which has always been one of the most valuable sources for learning and troubleshooting. Leo is your design companion, which accelerates early-stage decision tasks, assisting with drawing creation, and helping structure assemblies based on prompts and user input. You can even interact with it to really fine-tune things to get you exactly what you want. Today, these capabilities are delivering meaningful improvements to product development workflows, and with millions of users across the SOLIDWORKS community driving continuous feedback, scope, and impact are expanding rapidly. But this is just the beginning, and more interactive, AI-assisted design workflows and improvements are continuously being added to SOLIDWORKS, so stay tuned. We expect a lot more improvements to be added any day now.